I work hard, but I play even harder.
Oh!
Oh!
Got it. I was trying to get on top of the
I'm getting
play.
shot
I was
at.
trying to get on top
Oh,
of the
he's on top.
playground.
He's on top. He's on top. He's on second floor.
Yep, I saw him.
I'm not 100% on what to do here.
What is this shit? What is your problem?
That's me yelling.
Okay, so we can either
We
go
should
get the
just
other
run.
manifest.
You guys just want to run?
I mean, what's he gonna? Okay, who's that right there? Who is that? Nade! Daria!
I killed him.
Ethan, you're walking the wrong way.
I can't see, man.
You killed him? Killed?
Yeah, I dropped him. I'm getting shot at though.
Killed, are you an idea? Or are you like... I guess idea's pretty big. Are you near the entrance to idea?
Does someone have an SSH?
Kinda sorta.
Who has the SSH 68 on?
The what? That's me, it's me, it's me, it's me.
68.
I know that as the crappy green turtle helmet.
Mario looking ass.
Yeah, exactly.
What the hell is the matter with you?
Look, let's see if I can bait some shots from him.
Look, this is what you look like. You're like...
Here, you ready for this one? I bet I can do cool.
Run, run.
I don't know where I'm going.
Come back, come back, come back. Oh my gosh, come back.
I can see him.
Alright, let's play a game of chicken. We keep rotating it.
This is like that game where you run across the train tracks as many times as you can.
Hey, you turn.
What is your fucking problem?
I don't want to play this game anymore.
I'm having fun. I think we just go to where we need to go.
Yeah, let's stop baiting shots from this guy and leave. You're like,
I'm waiting for him. I can see up there.
Here, I dare you to walk.
no.
Alright, where do we go?
Oh, you didn't do it. You didn't do it.
No, I'm not walking that.
I hit him.
Alright, I think let's just run to Caleb.
No balls, you won't. No balls, you won't. Go do it.
Yeah, I won't.
Go do it.
No. Ethan.